Welcome to our channel. Let's bake pineapple cake at home. We begin with 1 cup of curd and 1 glass of powdered sugar. Whisk them together until creamy. Now pour in half a glass of refined oil and mix it all well. Also add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda to the mixture and stir. In a clean bowl with a strainer, add 1 glass of refined wheat flour, half a glass of suji, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Sift and mix the dry ingredients well. Finely chop your choice of dry fruits such as almonds, cashews, etc. Now combine the dry ingredients with the wet mix. Add 1 cup of milk and a few drops of vanilla essence. 2 to 3 tablespoons of blended pineapple pulp. Mix thoroughly until smooth and lump-free. Add the chopped dry fruits and stir gently. Adjust with a little milk if needed for a perfect batter. Grease a cake tin with butter and line the bottom with butter paper. Pour in the batter and tap the tin lightly. Top the cake with more dry fruits and bake at 100 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. So our cake is baked. Looks so yummy. Baking at home is something so exciting. This is more than just a cake. It's a way to reclaim our creativity and stop depending on the market. Let's break free from lazy consumerism and rediscover the joy of creating with our own hands. Once baked and cooled, slice the cake into layers. Why buy when we can make it ourselves with love, care, and simple ingredients from home? And spread homemade pineapple jam between them. This jam recipe is already shared in one of our previous YouTube shorts. Do check it out. Wholesome, handmade, and full of love. And that's it. Your soft, flavorful pineapple cake is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Neev Community for self-inquiry and sustainability. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.